Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI. I was looking to upgrade my light in my hallway, and I was so pleased with this Bagood semi-flush glass globe ceiling light in gold. My favorite thing is how the light comes through this globe, creates really neat rays on the ceiling, just giving it real interest and upgrading the look of my hallway. And it still looks just as pretty with the light off. I love the uniqueness of this light. I love that way the glass is designed, just really helps to enhance your light. So it's just really nicely designed. I love also the metal of this is a really pretty gold brush. And it just looks so elevated, upgrades definitely my old light. And this would be perfect for a vintage or even a modern vibe that you're going for in your house. I love the fact that they gave me an E26 light bulb with this light. So as soon as it's installed, I was able to screw in the light bulb and have light. I have been so happy with this light. So if you have a hallway or an entryway that you're looking for, definitely check this one out by Bagood. And that's my point of view.